Start. The three question. It was written by the well-known writer Leo Tolstoy. So today we are going to learn the three question. It once occurred to a certain king. So before that, let us know about the writer who is Leo Tolstoy. So here you can see the spelling of the Leo Tolstoy. He was a famous writer, so that it will be easy for you as well. So let's back to the class. So here it once occurred to a certain king that if he always knew the right time to begin everything, if he always listened to the right person whom to avoid. So here in this lesson, this is a three questions he asked himself: to whom should believe, and to whom should say to stop, and which is the best time to do. So here you can see the three questions: which people should he listen to, what is the right time as well. And then while doing this, he had sent messages to the everyone, and he promised he is going to give a gift. And someone gave like prepare a timetable and impossible to decide advantages. Everyone said that they're different opinions, okay, and look into the future and all. But king doesn't agree by this all. So he said okay. King was not satisfied and he doesn't give any reward to anyone. So here you can see the king and the hermit, the hermit, and here. So here let's talk about the hermit. After taking two bits, so king used to believe hermit. The meaning of hermit in the sense those who used to tell the future, and those who have a better knowledge about how to live a life. Okay, so this hermit did not give him a spade. So king went and he asked a question, but the king again looking for the hermit sowing the seeds in the beds that had been dug the day before. So then here he's like, king doesn't have a patience. So he said, see, I am asking so many times and again you are not responding to my question. And then he said, you have already been answered. So here the thing is, remember, today is the time. So you have to do a time now itself. Here comes someone running. So when someone came, the next time, the beard man. Okay, then king gave him a water. The sun had set. Why? And in the morning, the beard man said, ask forgiveness to the king because he came to kill the king. But king only saved him, right? So here the thing second is, you should respect and we have to care for everyone. Either it's your enemy, that's not matter. So the three person in this three question is very important. By this lesson, we came to know the important lesson in our life, that is, we should respect our time. The best gift and best friend is our time. And next is, you should not say, okay, he is a poor, so we are not supposed to help him. No, we have to help him. And next is, we should do our work. If we have planned to do right now, so we have to do right now. It's not that we should not do, okay, I am going to do our homework tomorrow. No, it's a thing you have to do today itself. So next is beard man. So beard man came and he tried to kill the king, but unfortunately a king itself, he helped to that beard man and he gave a second life to that man. And he wishes his gratitude, he says thank to the king. And here the three question answers, he got the three question answers. What did the questions did he ask? He asked to whom he should believe, which is the best time to begin a new thing, and to whom he should say stop, okay, to whom he should avoid. Okay, so here you can see the answers for this. Most important time, it's now, and person you are within that particular moment, most important person. So here, if you are loved with someone, if you are with your parents right now, you are staying with your parents, so respect them and obey them. That's the best thing. Do good. Don't expect your friend or your father or your sister, whoever it is, they want to do good. No need. First you do the best good, then only they will do the good for you itself. So you should be in a proper way and you should respect everyone. So this is the motto and this is the main aim of this three question lesson. So this lesson you should implement yourself so that you can able to be a particular person and to be a gentleman, no matter how you are. But here now in this situation, you are in a grade 9 or you will be in a higher position, but you should respect your elders, and as well as you should listen to your teachers, you should listen to your elders what and all they are saying, because they know better thing. Okay, so you are here but you don't know what is going to come, so it's your responsibility to work hard and as well as to work smart. Don't work hard, but you should work smart. It will come only when you work hard, then you will get realized of that, and then you'll start working smart. And now next, now and these three answers, it should be implement to you, and you should not say tomorrow. If I tell you to do the work right now, if your parents said go and sit there or do this work, you are supposed to do right now. It's not about tomorrow. We don't know what will come tomorrow, so we have to respect and we have to look around. And next, you should respect and do good. This is the three mantras, that's the three major and important points you should implement in your life, so that it will be easy and it won't be difficult to you. Okay, so I have to do something, so that's the reason. No need. Why? You are here, so you have to do the things, then only you can able to be a good. If you are not doing any good, don't expect that good should be happen with you only. There are so many members. You are, see, you have to think it's an ocean. It's an ocean and you are a small fish, and you should have to protect and you should be safe from the sharks. So here the same thing, you are a small fish, learn to be a shark. Not like to eat everyone, no, learn to be a shark attitude. Okay, so here it's the same thing I would like to convey. So I hope this lesson is understood to you. The three questions that what king asked and no one was able to answer it, and then hermit, he went to the hermit, and hermit is doing his own work, and he asked, see, I am again and again asking the question and you are doing your work, why? And I am very impatient person, I am asking and you should respond me soon. But king doesn't respond, and he said, and then king said, now this is the time when you are doing, so the best time is now. If you want to do something right now, do it now. If you're thinking I should be an IAS officer, start practicing right now. If you are in a 9th grade, what's the problem? You have that mind, so you can do it. Okay, if you want to be a doctor, if you want to be an teacher, if you want to be a teacher or lecturer, start practicing. That's the thing right now. Now next person, don't leave your parents. Whatever they are telling, respect them, obey them, and the main important thing is always be smile. Don't take a negative points. Always be an positive vibes. Take positive vibes from your parents, especially from your father. No, daily you have been seeing your father how he used to work. Now how he used to work, he used to go out and he will earn some money and he will give you, right? He will give you a necessity, what and all you need, he will give. So this is the end of this class. So do that, and that's it. Do well and don't be sad. This is the main important lessons you have to do. Then thank you.